How to fix WhatsApp audio play screen off problem in Android. So if you want to fix your WhatsApp audio play screen off problem on your Android, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your settings. Once you open up your settings, now you need to scroll down and you need to go with the apps section. Once you're under apps, now go with all apps, and here you will have all of your apps. So you just need to simply go with search. Under search, you need to search for WhatsApp application. Once you go with WhatsApp, now go with storage and cache and clear the cache. Once you've cleared your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then what you need to do is again go with WhatsApp application. Under WhatsApp, you need to go with permissions and make sure that you allow the microphone or the audio permission. Because if you've not allowed the audio permission or the microphone permission, then you will face this kind of problems. So just do that, and once you've done that, now you need to restart your device by simply pressing hold on that power button and your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.